How to get out of a Cloudflare loop, verify you are human. So first of all, refresh the page, click reload this page option, then clear browser cookies and cache. Click this icon, then click cookies and site data, then manage on device site data option from here. Now delete all data from here. Then again log into your account. Then disable the extension from here like VPN or proxy. Then try another browser or network. Test with another browser and you can switch network between Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then again log into your account. That's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.